for ha niile. Ha niile is all of them. Say after me, ha niile. Say after me, ha niile. P for họpụta. Họpụta means select. Say after me, họpụta. Say after me, họpụta. E for isi. E for isi. Isi is head. Say after me, isi. Say after me, isi. E for ite. Ite is pot. Say after me, ite. Say after me, ite. E for ịfụnanya. Ịfụnanya is love. Say after me, ịfụnanya. Say after me, ịfụnanya. E for ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya is horse. Say after me, ịnyịnya. Say after me, ịnyịnya. J for G. G is yam. Say after me, G. Say after me, G. J for jụọ. Jụọ is ask. Say after me, jụọ. Say after me, jụọ. If you're interested in joining one of our Igbo classes, you can click on our website in the description box. You can book classes via our website. Our website remains www.learnigbo-byconversation.com.